Just imagine you wake up in the morning and your phone automatically unlocks by seeing your face. That's AI. You open YouTube or Instagram, the posts and videos you see are shown by AI recommendation. You search for a nearby restaurant and Google Maps tell you the faster route again AI. The artificial intelligence has entered almost every part of our daily life. In this video, let's understand some real world example of how AI is being used around us even if we don't realize. First of all, your smartphone face unlock voice assistant like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. They all use AI, even the camera blur affect AI. Now take social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. That's for you or recommended feed. That's AI based algorithm. In hospital, AI is used to detect diseases like cancer early. Robots are assisting in surgeries. It's saving lives. In education, AI can help students with doubts like a tutor. Some examples use AI to catch cheating during online tests. Daily life example Google Maps predicting traffic, Gmail auto suggestion sentence, spam filter blocking junk mail. All all thanks to AI. But now everything is perfect. AI can be used to spread deep fakes, fake news, and invade privacy. That's why we must be careful. So now you know AI is not just about robots or science fiction. It's already around us, silently working behind the scenes. In the next video, we will understand how AI actually learns and what is machine learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. I am your student developer, Sidya Abubakar, and from your channel, Code Rich.